Hey guys, we're making a cake and I have a special guest to help me bake a cake. It's my dad. Cause I've baked a cake before, but I remember how to do it, but I just don't want to put it in the oven. So yeah. First you have to pour the corn muffin mix. If you guys could see it. It says corn muffin mix. Or you could do any one you want, so you just pour it in. You might need parents' permission to do this. You could do one, you could do two. Any kind you want. I open it in a certain. It's like a little. Whoa. You want to add half of it because that's going to fill up the whole bowl. Look.
Okay.
Just add the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you guys can see, it's like filling up the whole bowl. Look. It's filling up the whole bowl. Almost. Wow, that is crazy. Just make sure you guys can see. Next, you need to put 1 egg. My dad's gonna help me get 1 egg. Whoa.
Extra large.
Extra large. Whoa. Got an extra large egg. I think this was the perfect egg, right, guys? Let me wash my teeth. Okay, next you need 1/3 cup of milk.
In this case, we need a cup of milk.
1/3 cup of milk.
Yeah, but we have 2. For each packet, it's 1/3. So since you have 2, you gotta get 1 cup. So where's the measuring cup? Let me do it.
Uh-oh.
We weren't ready.
We weren't ready yet, guys. Uh-oh. I just like mixing it before I put the milk in, so I'm just mixing it. Whoa. Me and Mommy made this before, and we had the things. It was like... Mommy last time said... Wait, guys. Mommy last time... I don't want to put this on the video. But Mommy last time said... I needed to ask her a question, and she said that the devil made me do that so I could just let her out of the prayer room. But no, it's not because of that. We just need to talk about something. That. Okay. You want me to hold this?
Yep. You got 1 cup. You got it where it is? 1 cup?
No.
1.
1 here. Stop. Oops, you got some? No, you didn't.
Right, slowly. Not too much now. No, you did too much. It's a little bit at a time. Oh well, too late.
Yeah, I forgot. I was supposed to do a little bit at a time, but it's okay.
A little bit of oil.
Loop and loop too much.
Open this up.
I'm actually wearing something to paint. I just like wearing this to like cook and stuff. Let me make it tight. Okay. I'm actually making the cake and stuff, but my dad is just getting the stuff for me and helping me, so.
A little bit of sugar, just make it a little bit of sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Ew, brown sugar? You didn't tell me we were adding brown sugar.
Okay.
I like white sugar.
Yeah, we're gonna see it.
Okay, whatever. Same taste, but looks different. Same. Number one. Taste this. It tastes the same. You can't see it. Looks different. Doesn't smell the same as white. Those are facts about white kind.
You clean it after. Clean it after. Okay.
Here? Oh.
Just finished, don't worry. Clean after.
Yeah.
We clean up after we finished.
Yeah.
So you're gonna just make sure you don't.
You could have just added it a little bit at a time, Daddy, but
Stop. Because
I don't think I'm gonna add food coloring this time. I want to, but Mommy's gonna be like, you always add food coloring.
let's increase the pan a little bit.
Daddy, watch me. Can you use the bowl while I'm doing this, please?